Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel, which is based on DIY projects about cleaning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, I would love to have you join by hitting the subscribe button down below and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And this video is going to be something different, so continue to keep watching. So for this video is going to be an actual intro to the all year long DIY series, what you can expect from the actual series itself and from my actual channel. It's going to be something exciting, new, different, especially while all this is going on. It'll give you something to do, be inspired, motivated, and give you ideas of what you could be doing for your house or decorations or other big projects that you have to do, big or small. Go ahead and get them done, because it's time to do it right now. We had nothing else to do. Why don't you just do it now? But for the series, what you can actually expect from it is on Mondays and Wednesdays and Saturdays. That's my uploading days. Say it again. Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays are my uploading days for my channel. And it's just basically Monday I'll be uploading like a door reef. Wednesday you can probably expect either a DIY video or you can expect a decoration video. Either one, you just never know. You just be surprised, just being like, oh, okay, cool. But it just gives something else to look forward to rather than a DIY video. So then also Saturday I might upload an actual DIY video, or maybe two. You just never know. Just gotta basically stay tuned and be subscribed to my actual channel so you can, be notified. If you also have the notify bell, you can get automatically notified when my videos uploaded, so you can see what I'm doing, if it's going to be a DIY video or it's going to be a decoration video. So stay tuned for this series and on my channel. On my channel, I'm also going to do other videos like organizing and probably a little bit of cooking. I am not sure yet, but you just gotta stay tuned. So be subscribed, keep your turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when it actually happens. So that is it actually for this video. I'm gonna go, but before I do go, on every video that I put out for you guys, get motivation at the end of it. Stay blessed, stay humble, always have peaceful thoughts in mind, stay positive. That's the best way to go in life, especially right now. It's time to be positive and have a positive mindset of everything that's going on around us. And I love you guys, and stay tuned, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Before I go, as I always say, this is VLOGTRIP. See you later. Love you guys, and I'm with you. I love you. See ya.